Imagine holding the future of computing in your hands, a machine so powerful it feels like it shouldn't exist yet. We are standing on the precipice of the biggest leap in Apple silicon history with the 2026 M5 Max MacBook Pro. This isn't just another yearly refresh or a minor spec bump. This is the moment Apple changes the rules of the game entirely. For months, the rumors have been swirling, but the latest leaks from the supply chain in Taiwan and internal whispers from Cupertino suggest that the M5 Max is about to redefine what we consider pro performance. If you thought the M3 or M4 chips were fast, you aren't prepared for what's coming. We're talking about a move to the 2 nanometers fabrication process, a shift that allows Apple to cram billions more transistors into the same space, resulting in thermal efficiency that shouldn't be physically possible. This is the laptop that will make your current setup feel like a calculator. The heart of this beast is the M5 Max chip, and this is where it gets interesting for the power users. The architectural shift to 2 nanometers means we are looking at a projected 30% increase in CPU performance and a staggering 40% jump in GPU capabilities. But it's not just about raw numbers, it's about how that power is delivered. Early leaks suggest a redesigned neural engine specifically optimized for localized AI processing. In a world where AI is becoming the backbone of every creative workflow, the M5 Max is positioned to be the ultimate AI workstation that fits in a backpack. Imagine rendering 8K ProRes footage while running complex local LLMs in the background without the fans even kicking in. That is the promise of the 2026 MacBook Pro. It's about total creative freedom, removing the barrier between your imagination and the final export. But the screen is where you'll truly see the difference. For years, we've heard whispers of Tandem OLED technology making its way from the iPad Pro to the MacBook, and 2026 is the year it finally happens. This isn't just a brighter display. It's a window into another world. With the Tandem OLED panel, you're getting the deepest blacks imaginable combined with a peak HDR brightness that will make your content pop like never before. The color accuracy is rumored to be within a margin of error that makes external reference monitors almost redundant. Whether you're color grading a feature film or designing the next big AAA game, the visual fidelity of the M5 Max MacBook Pro is designed to be the industry standard. This is the display that pros have been begging for, and Apple is finally delivering it in a chassis that remains impossibly thin. Let's talk about the design, because 2026 marks a significant anniversary for the MacBook line. Rumors suggest a thin and light Pro redesign that doesn't sacrifice ports. We are looking at a more refined, polished aesthetic with even narrower bezels and perhaps the introduction of a new Midnight Pro or titanium gray finish that resists fingerprints better than anything we've seen. The keyboard is expected to see a slight travel adjustment for a more tactile feel, and the trackpad, already the best in the business, might include haptic feedback areas that simulate different textures depending on the app you're using. It's these small, premium touches that separate a Mac from the rest of the pack. Apple isn't just selling you a computer, they're selling you a precision instrument. Connectivity is the final piece of the puzzle. With Wi-Fi 7 and Thunderbolt 5 integration, data transfer speeds are set to double. Moving terabytes of data from external SSDs will happen in the blink of an eye. This laptop is built for a future where files are getting larger and deadlines are getting shorter. The battery life is another area where the 2 nanometers process shines. We are hearing reports of 25 to 28 hours of real-world usage on a single charge. Imagine going on a cross-country flight, working the entire time, and still having enough juice to watch a movie at the hotel without ever reaching for a MagSafe cable. The 2026 M5 Max MacBook Pro isn't just a tool. It's an investment in your productivity. It's the machine that ensures you stay ahead of the curve in an increasingly competitive digital landscape. If you've been waiting for the right time to upgrade, this is it. The wait is almost over, and the results are going to be legendary.